Let's talk a little bit about virtualization in AWS. When virtualization was discussed while defining cloud computing, I had given an example of VMware, which is also called a type 2 hypervisor. Well, there are multiple types of hypervisors, actually two. First one is type 2 or hosted hypervisor. The reason it is called hosted because the hypervisor is installed on top of operating system. How does it work is, you have a hardware, basically your raw machine, you install operating system on top of it, then you install the hypervisor on top of the operating system, and virtual machines are in turn installed using hypervisor. So this is type 2 or hosted hypervisor. Then you have type 1, which is also called native hypervisor or bare metal hypervisor. The reason it is bare metal hypervisor because you install the hypervisor on top of hardware directly. You do not have any operating system in between. And as usual, you install the virtual machines using the hypervisor. All cloud providers like AWS use type 1 hypervisor. So hypervisor used by AWS is called Zen, which is an open source. We do not need to know the details of Zen because we'll never deal with them. AWS will take care of everything. But let's look at a few pointers. Zen project is a hypervisor using microkernel design. It was launched on October 2003 by University of Cambridge. It is leading open source virtualization platform used by big cloud players today. AWS, Rackspace, OpenStack, Verizon Cloud, etc. use Zen. Now AWS is the biggest contributor in the open source project. And if you need more information, you can visit their page www.zenproject.org. KVM is also used as a hypervisor in some cases in AWS. KVM is kernel virtual machine. So this is the screen of AWS. This is the management console. We'll be using this management console a lot. So let me show you a little bit how it looks like. So this is the console. If you see, there are multiple services here. For under compute, you have EC2, we have Lambda, we have in the storage, you have S3, EFS. In database, you have RDS, DynamoDB, Elasticache, etc., etc. We have network and content delivery. Then you have management tools like CloudWatch, Trusted Advisor. Then we have security, identity and compliance, application integration, etc. For all your exercises and assignments, you need to have a AWS account. Please go ahead and register yourself. Go to https://aws.amazon.com and register using any of your email ID. AWS will ask you for your credit card information. Don't worry, they'll charge I think $1 or $2, and that is refundable. So your credit card information will be totally safe with AWS. Please register yourself in AWS account. So that's all for today. Thank you.